Hello guys, in this video tutorial, you will be learning how you can download and install Zoom in your laptop or Windows. So first, let's open our Google Chrome, and here in the search bar, let's type Zoom app. So the first search result that's from Zoom.us is the one that we'll be choosing. So we need to click on it. And just scroll down a little bit to find the option where you can download. So we now can click on download. Now once the file or the application is downloaded on your laptop or PC, it will appear on your download history, and then all you need to do is just click on the exe file. So it's now initializing. This is Zoom Workplace Installer. So let's just wait for it to finish. And now it will prompt you to allow this app to make changes to your device. So now we can now click on yes. And it will continue installing. So once the Zoom application is installed in your computer or laptop, you can now go. Okay, so the installation was successful. We can now go click on done. And we can open our Zoom application here. So you can either join a meeting or sign up or sign in. So if you want to join a meeting, just click on join a meeting. And here on this space here, we need to type your meeting ID, or you need to type your meeting ID or personal link name. So for example, you have a meeting ID that says John class. Then you can click on it and then just check the options accordingly, according to your preference. And then you can now click on join. So by clicking join, you agree to their terms of service and privacy statement. So that's it. That's how you can install and have Zoom Workplace on your Windows or laptop. So that's it. I hope this video has helped you. If it did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe to our YouTube channel. So thank you for watching this video. I hope I see you on the next one. Bye bye.